Welcome back to number 3. Number 3 is an excellent honors level question and a great quiz or test question. It is a little bit harder, but you can get through it. We're going to start it by the same way, by drawing a rectangle. The length of a rectangle is 10 meters greater than twice its width. We can handle that. So we're going to label x as our width. Don't forget to do your let statement. So let x equal the width of the rectangle. If you want to, you can abbreviate the word rectangle. 10 meters greater than twice its width means we're going to have 2x plus 10. And we're going to make sure we include that in our let statement as well. What makes this harder now is that it's telling us to manipulate our rectangle. It says if the lengths were doubled, that means we're going to have a new rectangle. A second picture could really help here. So if we double the lengths, we're going to have 2 times 2x plus 10. So that means we have 4x plus 20 is our new length. If you continue reading the problem, it says, and the halves were width. Sorry, and the widths were halved. So we have 1/2 x. So 1/2 x is going to be our new width. It says the perimeter of the new rectangle. So we're going to start our equation that way. For our new rectangle, we have 2 times 1/2 of x plus 2 times 4x plus 20. Would be is our indicator for an equal sign. 80 more than means 80 plus, and then it says the perimeter of the original rectangle. So we have 2 times x, and then 2 times 2x plus 10. Setting up that equation can be quite difficult. If you want to, now's a good time to hit pause and rewind and start the equation over. It's also a good time to hit pause and try and solve the equation on your own. Once you solve the equation, you should get a value of x equals 20. Now is a good time to go back and look at the question to see what answer they actually want. The question says, what are the dimensions of the original rectangle? Which means we're plugging it back in to this part here. So if we plug it back into the length of the original rectangle, 20 times 2 gives us 40, plus 10 gives us 50, which means the width of the original rectangle is 20 meters, and the length is 50 meters.